Hello there, beautiful people. Today I am reviewing the Makeup Professional Beauty Glazed Matte Liquid Lipstick. And this happens to be a small pack of 6 of their top matte matte liquid lipsticks. So I decided to try these out because I saw that they were very long lasting and durable, and I want to try them out and see if that actually is the case. So it's supposed to be long lasting lipstick. Water is not supposed to come off. It's not supposed to come off when you kiss. And let's see. In here, there's a set of 6 colors, full-size lip gloss of most of their popular colors. Charming. They're charming, matte, long-lasting, and waterproof. Easy to remove with lip cleansing oil. Perfect to send to a lover, family member, friends for Valentine's Day, birthday, or any other festival. The natural formula is vitamin E, beeswax, vegetable oil, and other natural ingredients. Natural beeswax locks water to achieve long-lasting moisturizing effect, and you get a beautiful and attractive matte lip color the moment you put it on, and it won't stick, it doesn't fade, it's matte, dry, only lightly purse one's lips once it sticks. Painted lip gloss will dry because it's a foggy surface, giving a velvety effect. So it's waterproof, super long lasting to give you a sexy experience. It's silky, exquisite, elegant for your lips and suitable for all seasons. So, or in the office or on a date, anything. So yeah, so let's try it out. So this one is Leo. So that's what Leo looks like. This one is called Kristen. It's kind of a pinky pink. Okay, so we've done these two. This one is called Dolce K. So it's kind of like a nude. This one here is called Cocoa K. Cocoa K. This one's more of a dusty rose. So this is a range of colors. There's 6 of them. Nothing particularly, this one's more like a red than anything else. And this is more of a dusty pink, and this is more of a nude. And then I think these look more like light pinks. This one is called Candy K. This one's like a super nice nude right there on the end. So here are the 5 colors. We've got one more to go. And that 5th one is called Exposed. I'll put this on my hand. And this is a very fine baby pink. So these are the range of colors. I'm going to stop it now and I'm going to let them dry so that I can show you what they look like when faced with water. also touching. So I'm going to let them dry, and I'll be right back. So here they are underwater, not coming off at all, long lasting, keeping their promise. So I would give these a 5 out of 5, but don't take my word for it, try it yourself, and thanks so much for watching.